Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life of Pri and I'm Priyanka. Today we are going to do something exciting and fun in New York City. We were here on a Sunday and found free street parking on Center Street between Grand and Hester. This entire area where we are walking is Chinatown. It took us around 8 minutes to reach Manhattan Bridge via Baxter and Canal Street. Actually, while coming back after our walk, I bought a couple of things which I'll share with you at the end of this vlog. In order to walk on the Manhattan Bridge, the biggest question for us was, where should we start? On the Manhattan side or the Brooklyn side? We decided to start from the Manhattan side, walk till the Brooklyn end and walk back to the Manhattan side because we had parked our car over here. While looking for the Manhattan Bridge, you'll find several street signs that will direct you towards the entry where you can start walking. And finally, we are here. While walking the Manhattan Bridge, we are crossing the East River via a pedestrian walkway. The total walking distance is around 1.3 miles each way. If you didn't already know, the Manhattan Bridge is one of the 3 famous bridges on the East River that will take you from Brooklyn to Manhattan and vice versa. The 3 famous bridges are the BMW bridges: B for Brooklyn, M for Manhattan and W for Williamsburg. I have already walked the Brooklyn Bridge a few months ago with my parents and my husband, and today I'm so excited to walk on the Manhattan Bridge. Well, maybe sometime in the future we will try and walk on the Williamsburg Bridge as well. Because I already did some research before coming here, I was looking for the classic hole in the fence spots from where iconic photographs have been taken in the past, and people also come here just to take pictures from these spots. I'll talk more about the hole in the fence spots a little later. Walking across this bridge was extremely loud, with the subway passing by pretty frequently. Isn't this a great way to enjoy New York City for free? I know so many other touristy places the entry fee is pretty expensive, but here you can actually enjoy New York City for free. So definitely you guys, whether you want to walk the Brooklyn Bridge or the Manhattan Bridge or the Williamsburg Bridge, do give it a try. You'll have a great time because we had a great time. But be mindful of safety issues. Do not walk these bridges after sunset or at night, especially if you're new here and you're by yourself. If you're in a larger group, maybe it could be different, but again, be careful and be safe. As the wind is making my hair fly in all crazy directions, Mrinal decided to take pictures and then document them. And after that, I know what he's going to do. He's going to send those pictures to my dad, and then both of them are going to team up together and make fun of me. Okay, back to Manhattan Bridge. So basically, you can see the subway and cars on one side, and you get to admire the view of the East River, Brooklyn Bridge, and the city on the other side. The famous hole-in-fence spot is supposedly the best part of this underrated walk. It's believed that people once used wire cutters to open up small holes into the mesh fencing for photography. Photographers thought that this gave a nice concept to their pictures. It made their pictures seem more artistic. So I'd suggest you to keep your eyes open because you're going to find several of these famous hole-in meshed fences. That's Brooklyn Bridge and New York City. We are done walking from one end to the other and it just took us 40 minutes. 40 minutes because we stopped several times for pictures and videos. Now it's time to head back and finish up the rest of the walk. Now let me share my personal view about this experience. Manhattan Bridge, I feel, is so underrated when you think of the Brooklyn Bridge maybe, right? Manhattan Bridge is unique in its own way. If you look at my other video, you'll see just the walking space where you're walking on the Brooklyn Bridge is so different from what's here. This is such a narrow, private space, but there are several viewpoints from the bridge that are super unique and you get to see the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. It is also less crowded and quieter than the Brooklyn Bridge. But I think as a tourist, when you're visiting New York, Brooklyn Bridge should be your priority number one if you want to walk on any of these bridges. On our way back, we took 20 minutes because we didn't really stop for too many pictures and videos. So overall, for us to walk the Manhattan Bridge to and fro, it took us 60 minutes, 1 hour to be exact. From there, when we were heading back to our car, we actually stopped at 2 places to shop a little bit. And I'm going to show my shopping haul once I reach our hotel. And why are we staying at a hotel, you ask? That's because Mrinal has to work in New York the entire week. Last minute, he asked me if I wanted to join him or not. And of course I said yes, and we made an outing out of a Sunday. And from tomorrow he's going to work and I'm going to do my own thing. For his stay, he booked a room at Marriott downtown. And look at the location, you guys. It's so close to the Freedom Tower. So let me give you a quick room tour. Mrinal, when booking, didn't know I would join him. So he booked this room thinking that he would be by himself. This is on the 21st floor with a spectacular view, and trust me guys, I had my share of fun over here. Not just the view, I did a lot of things by myself, no vlog though. But I had a great time in this room and outside in the city too. Now I'm going to keep quiet and let the room do all the talking. So like I said before, while heading back to our car, we stopped at two places. One was a little donut shop that sold mochi donuts, and I was quite intrigued because I have never tried mochi donuts before. I ordered one of each of the following flavors: Purple Pebble, Cruncher Matcha, Berry Lovely, Toffee, Cookie Monster and Lychee. Ready? Okay. So I don't know which one should I try first, but okay. Let's try the berry one. I love mochis. I love donuts. So this is a mochi donut and it is delicious. If you see inside, this is rice. Mochi is made up of rice, right? Let's taste the matcha one. So matcha is an acquired taste, right? So not everybody loves matcha. I like it, however. So the flavor comes from the glaze. The main donut, the mochi is the same kind, but the flavor comes from the type of glaze that you order. So this is nice too. तुम खाएगा?
No.
Okay. Let's try the toffee flavored. This is very yum. This is very nice. If you ever get like toffee or caramel flavored, definitely try it out. It's delicious. So I think I'm done for now. Too much of sweetness in my mouth, but mochi donut gets a double thumbs up from me. So definitely, wherever you find any store that sells mochi donut, give it a shot. It's worth the try. ये वाला भी try कर लेती हूँ क्या जाता है. We ordered dinner from a Chinese restaurant called Dim Sum Go-Go. We ordered dumplings. I think these were chicken and pork, and also one order of cellophane or glass noodles chicken. Okay, I love glass noodles, you guys. Whenever I find glass noodles in the menu of any Chinese or Thai restaurant, I have to have it. Do you like glass noodles too? Have you ever tasted it? Let me know in the comment section below if you have. And after dinner, we decided to call it a night because we were very tired. As promised, here's my haul. This is what I got earlier today. I bought 2 aprons. Both of them costed me $10. One is for me. This is the first one. So this is for me when I'm going to cook, and the second one is for a very special person. I'm not going to name her because she watches my videos and she'll know that I bought something for her. But the second one is for a very special person and I'm going to give it to her when I see her. And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked this one. Don't forget to shower lots and lots of love to this video and to my channel as well. I'll see you soon with some brand new content. Until then, bye.